Every time I'm in the street, I hear man down. Where you from?
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy One Killer Scat back at it again with another video. Let's get it. Thank y'all for tuning in to Red Key TV. Told y'all we up from here, we up from here, we up from here. This year we are going all the way up with the Scat Pack. We're gonna be doing a whole bunch. I got packages in. Y'all can see I got a package there behind me. That's not exactly what you think it is, just if you're reading the label that's on top of it. But we're gonna get this thing broken into because we upgrading. Let's get it. Don't know how well they got it packaged in here. I'm gonna try to get this tape cut. Let's see what we got. Did I get that one cut? All right. Woo! Oh, here we go. Y'all just all over the place. All right. Here we go. Let's go ahead and verify. Here we go. We got heated Riz. Yup. Ooh, boy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right. That's the top and the bottom. That's the bottom. OEM. Went ahead and bought the OEM red interior. Oh yeah. Go to back seat, one side of it. There goes the bottom. Let's see, and I know y'all seeing that cat skin, but now this ain't cat skins. This the real deal. OEM. So there go the sides. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. There go that whole back seat right there. So the whole back seat. That's the top of the back seat, right? Or is that the bottom? That's the top. I'm trying to figure it out. I stopped paying attention when I was pulling them out. That is the bottom. This is the top. And that's the top. All right, so that's the top middle part. That's the left side. And then here's the whole bottom. So we got full OEM red interior to go with my red door panels. Let's go to the garage. Let's cut the good lights on. Bing! Oh yeah. So y'all already know I did the red door panels a while ago. If you've seen the video, I don't think I uploaded a video on it, but y'all might have seen the videos with the door panels, with the doors open. So as much as I love the Swinger, I've always loved red interior more. So, you know, this has the black and green stitching. So I will be off right now on the dash. Don't know if I'll ever change that out. I might one day just for, you know, shits and giggles. But all of this is going red. So I'm gonna have them professionally take these off just like the other ones were taken off. So I will be selling uh, the Alcantara leather, the suede with the leather kit or OEM seats. I'll be selling those. I'm gonna have them take them off professionally so that I can list them for sale. Somebody can do what I'm doing. If you got like a V6 and got basic leather, I'll probably sell this whole kit, not for a crazy amount. But yeah, but we're switching all the way to red, man. I love when I open them up and you see the red interior. Let's talk about this interior and everything about it. And like, if you're getting ready to upgrade your interior, whether you should go the route that I'm going or you should go completely custom. So I love this. This probably cost me in total for the door panels. I got the seat, the OEM seat covers, and then the installation. I did the door panels myself. The door panels, I want to say they had them up for about $1,000, $1,100 or something down that line. It was on eBay. I hit the guy and was like, "Hey, I'll buy them from you for $900. Will you take that offer?" He took the offer with the taxes. I think it came back out to basically like the $1,100 with the shipping and stuff down the line. So $1,100 for the doors. The seats, they were OEM. They had some guy had them, and apparently he went the cat skin full leather route. And he took it to a shop, had his taken off professionally, and then told him, "Hey, sell them," or either he sold them, but they were on eBay. They had them up for $1,500. Paid the $1,500 with taxes, everything, shipping. It was like $1,700, and then it cost me another $1,000 to get them installed. So what do we say? $1,100 to my door with the panels, then $1,700 for the actual seats to my door, and then another $1,000. So you got 17 plus the 11. We do quick math. What is that? 28. 2,800. You said 7 plus 11. Yep. 28. All right. You know, I don't want to look too crazy. And then add another 1,000. So that's $3,800 to change my full interior. The thing about the Swingers is they come with the black and green interior. If you know the old Swingers, they were the green, lime green cars and everything. So this limited edition Swinger has the nostalgia. They brought back the green stitching and all that type of stuff. And this is perfect for most people. I am a huge fan of the red guts. I love the red guts. Next after that is the peanut butter, and then of course, then the black. So I know people are going to be like, "Well, why did you buy a Swinger?" I got the best deal on the Swinger. I didn't go out there because it was a limited edition car. They say, "Oh, it was the last call I wanted." I did want a last call. I did want a limited edition. At that point in time, the way that the numbers were rolling out, I wasn't going to go buy a Hellcat over again. I just figured I'd go ahead and build this. So That's why we got the swinger, because I'm doing all the stuff that the swinger doesn't have. Eventually, I do want to see if somebody can cut that sunroof into there. But $3,800. Interior is fully done. It looks brand new and OEM. Like I said, and that's all with used pieces, used products. So that's what you could be looking at. You could beat that price. You could do, you can do better. That's just what it cost me and what I found at the time. Now I say that to say that's $3,800 for OEM full interior. Cat skin leathers, they have a set, and you can get it for underneath that with a different leather and different looks, but you're not going to get all of the stuff. A lot of times I had cat skins on my Hellcat. That door panel, this part was done, but not the rest of this. This was not. So that was still black. I got the children in the background. I don't know if y'all can hear them back there, but they're having a time in this pool. Let me check on them. I'll be right back. All right. Had to go back in and check on the babies. They needed to do some sharing. We had one cup, and they weren't sharing it. So we're going to get back to the video. Now, cat skins, I think it was like $2,300, $2,400, somewhere in there for their kit, but you don't get all of the stuff. Now, you don't get me wrong. You get some nice things with the cat skin kit. I'm not here to downgrade them. What I would say is go full custom or go OEM. A full custom interior would have cost me about $5,000. Full custom interior would have probably been diamond stitch seats with my own logo in there and all this other type of stuff. So if you're the type of person, you're looking at whether you're going to do it or not, $3,800 to $5,000, fully custom, all the way built out, could be the route to go. I was buying in pieces, so I did the numbers afterwards. The funny thing about it is I had looked on eBay. I already had these red door panels, but there was a guy on eBay that was selling completely OEM red leather Hellcat seats with all 4 door panels, and it was $4,000. It was like $3,980. So $4,000 after everything was shipped there and taxes. It would have been like $4,200. So, and I could have took every single seat out of my car and every door panel out and rebolted it up with the other OEM completely leather door panels. Like I said, I already had door panels, so I didn't need to go that route. That's the reason why I didn't do that. But that is a route that you could take. So write less than $5,000 again, and you can do it. So fully custom or go OEM. I love the OEM look. I'll probably get a couple hits at the car shows and stuff to that line because they'll think, oh, it's just an OEM interior. Because at car shows, this is the thing about it. You get checks in the boxes for the different stuff that you do to the car. So they'll go look at the exterior. They'll look at your wheels. They'll look at this. They'll look at that. If it's a stock thing, you don't get points for stock stuff because you bought the car like that. But so if I go interior, I may not get points at a car show for interior because that's stock interior versus somebody else that fully did their interior points at a car show. So I may not get that even though I did it. So if you're a car show type of guy, you definitely want to go custom interior. I do love car shows, but I'm not at the point where I wanted to do the custom interior over this. So the car looks amazing. I love the red seats way more than the black seats. They hit so much harder. Every time I walk past the car, I love it. A little bit, this bad boy will have Lamborghini doors on it and all that type of stuff because we are building a show car. We are building a car to go to car shows. So I'm going to continue building it, eventually get wrapped. There's only 2 ways right now 3 ways you can tell that this is a swinger because I've removed majority of the other stuff. This banner on the back, which I'm wondering how much longer I'm going to keep that banner. That's one way you can tell this thing is a swinger. The other way you can tell this is a swinger. The swingers only ones that have that Scat B badge. That's one of the other ways you can tell that it's a swinger. And then right here in the dash, you have that swinger logo letting you know OEM. It's a swinger. It's the swinger edition last call. So in a little bit, if I keep removing stuff, you're not going to be able to know that I didn't have a regular Scat Pack. And that's what people are going to think. Oh, this is a regular Scat Pack. Nope, this is one of 1,000. And I'm making it one of one. And I know a lot of people are like, oh, it was one of 1,000. Why would you do all of that to this car? You should have kept it like this. I didn't buy this car for the next person. I bought this car for me. So I'm going to do that. I thought about that when I first bought the car. And at first I was like, you know what? I keep this car. It's going to make its money down the road. Probably not. I love Dodge and I love the Chargers. But do they hold their value somewhat if you have the Hellcat and above? Kinda. They actually do. I made money when I sold my Hellcat. I made money. And it could hold its value if it was one of the top of the line. The Swinger Scat Pack, probably not going to hold its value. So I know people are thinking, well, you had one of 1,000. You had a better chance. Well, I'm making it a one of one. If I decide to sell it, I'm going to sell it as a one of one, not a one of 1,000. It is one of 1,000, but I have some of the OEM parts. I'm probably not going to keep them. I've done so much stuff that I've upgraded from the regular that it was. As you can see, I got that Hellcat steering wheel in there. Went ahead and upgraded to an OEM Hellcat steering wheel. I still have my old steering wheel. It's sitting in here in the garage. I still have the seat covers for this. I have the OEM seat covers for this. I did not have them cut off. I paid an extra $100 so that the seats would be intact. So if you do want some seat covers, hit me up. I got the seat covers. I'll sell them to you. You can hit me up and ask me what price is. If you're really interested, I'll probably DM you, tell you to hit me on my Instagram. I have the seat covers. I have the black door pedals with the green stitching. I have all of that stuff. I still have my Scat Pack hood. All of that stuff's for sale. If you need something and you want to come get it, I am in Georgetown, Texas. You can hit me up and gladly I will sell it to you. I'm not giving any of this stuff away. I will sell it to you because I have no need to continue to keep it. But I do have it right now. If I did decide, oh man, I want to get it back to stock, I could drop this car basically back to stock almost completely. I could take all the lights out. I have my OEM lights. Because you see I have the RGB halo lights, the quad lights, the Nova series. I got them fully built out. I built the fully customizable fog lights. Like I have all of my OEM parts. I'll probably get rid of them and sell them. So if you need something, feel free to hit me up and I'll let you know if I still have it. Eventually I'll start posting it. But I hope that this video brought you some kind of joy into understanding the things that you could do with the car and whether or not to go OEM or fully custom on your interior. I went OEM just because I like it and it was easier to find and I hadn't thought the prices all the way through. So OEM or custom. But man, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit me up on my Instagram at 1KillerScat. You can write comments here. Please write comments here. Like the video. The algorithm will push me out. We'll continue doing more stuff. Like I said, we're going to fully build this car, man. I am building a show car. I have parts in the garage. I have parts on the way. All right, let's get it.
Every time I'm in the street, I hear, man down, where you from?